Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a discount or a discount code. Black Friday sales are coming up, and let's say you want to give a 30% discount to all of your customers to shop on all products on your website. So on commerce, click on discounts. So create a discount. So click on discount code. So now we're going to give our discount a name, okay? So let's call it Black Friday Sales 30. So for the discount code, you can generate a discount that your customers can use at the checkout. But in this case, we want to give our discount code a name. So let's call it BFS 30. We're giving off a 30% discount. But just in case you want something else, or maybe you want to give an amount off, or you want free shipping, you can click any of these. But for today, we're giving up a 30% discount. So we write 30. Does this discount apply to all of your products or specific products or categories or collections? You can click any and then specify the products or categories or collections that you want. But in this case, we want the 30% discount to apply to all the products. So we click on all products. The minimum requirement here is none, but you can choose any of the two, a quantity over maybe 5 products or an amount over 500, cash or CDs or Naira, depending on the country that you're in. But in this tutorial, we're clicking on none. Do you want the discount to apply to all of your customers or some customers, or maybe specific customers? If it's specific customers, you can click on specific customers and then click on that special customer that you want to give this discount to. But for today's video, we're giving this discount to all of our customers. The limit total users could be unlimited or it could be limited. It depends on you. We're clicking on limited because we want our customers to shop every day, anytime, and still be able to use a discount. So now let's go to the most important part of this discount, and that's the start and the end date, or start time and end time. We all know Black Friday starts from a particular time and ends at a particular time. So let's say we want our Black Friday sales to start on the 24th of November 2023, and we want it to start at let's say 10 a.m. here, and we want the Black Friday sales to end, let's say December 7th or December 8th. Let's go with December 8th and give them an extra day. And we want it to end at 11:59. Okay, so you click on 11:59 and then you save your discount. So but let's say you made a mistake or you want to make some edits. Okay, so you click on this discount, you write the edit, maybe the discount code, you want it to be black BFS 33, and you want the discount to be 33. Okay, so you can go ahead and update it. But for this video, we're doing a 30% discount, and the discount code will be 30 as well. So 30 here and 30 here. So you can either delete it or update it, but in this case, we're updating the discount. And that's all for this video today. And when you click here, it takes you back to see all the discount codes you've created over the period of time. So yeah, that's all for this video today. We do hope that you enjoyed it. Create as many discounts as you want for your customers. Do have a lovely day.